I love this. It's a beautiful, beautiful bag by Michael Kors. Lovely little scallop shape, oval shape to the flap. The strap is part leather and part chain. It is adjustable, so it could be shoulder, it could be crossbody. I am a size 8'10", UK 8'10", I'm about 5'4". This could be made, there's holes to make it longer still, or use holes that can make it shorter, depending on how tall you are. It also can be a clutch bag, which I'll show you when I open the bag up. So let's show you the Michael Kors on the front. Okay, on the back there is a pocket that has a magnetic pressed closure which goes right to the bottom of the bag, and the front flap is also a magnetic pressed closure. Okay, and then inside you've got one zipped pocket there and one flat pocket. The flap is leather, and then when you get into this part of the bag it is in fabric. It's got Michael Kors leather tag there. I'm not sure if that's going to show up very well. And you could, to make it into a clutch, it's got the chain attached there, which means you can pop it inside and make a little clutch bag. I love a clutch bag for an evening, as you know. It's a really, really beautiful leather. It's really soft and scrumptious. It's just glorious. We have also got Michael Kors. Let's show you that. This I don't think will focus, but it's got Michael Kors on the adjuster on the strap as well. Condition wise, the hardware is excellent condition. The exterior and the interior is very, very good condition. I can't quite call it excellent because you can see that it's perhaps been used maybe once, maybe twice. There's nothing wrong with it. There's no marks, there's no scratches, there's nothing. There's nothing for me to show you, look this, look this. There's nothing wrong with it. You can just see that it's been used once or twice. So I've called it very, very good condition. There is a link to this to see it on the website in the comments below. So go to the comments, there'll be a link, take you straight to the product page. Whilst you're on our website, sign up for the newsletter because then you'll get 10% off your first purchase. In the comments below there's also a link so that you can follow us on Instagram, and if you like my bag videos, please give me the thumbs up.